Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. Of course, I'm always so grateful to my online friends. You guys rock. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate you. And if you've just come across this channel, why don't you stick around, because at the end you might just want to subscribe. Yeah. For today's video, we are going to be talking about the results and review of the second month hair growth challenge. Did you do the challenge? Did you keep up with it? Let me tell you what it was like for me, okay? So first of all, this video is going to be a very quick one. She always says that. I always say that, and then it's 10 minutes long after I've edited it. But anyway, hang in there with me, because I just want to give you a little bit of an update for this second month hair growth challenge. It was interesting, that's all I can say. Can you see the hair? Can you see? I'm excited about my hair. Let me draw you close. Even though I've been out in the rain, look at the hair. Can you see how well moisturised it looks? Can you see? It looks so healthy. Got some healthy ends there. And here. My ends are really, really healthy. So first things first, did I manage to do every 4 days continuously for the rest of the month? No. Before you just say,
"Oh, Mel, tell us to do it and you don't do it yourself."
Let me just explain, just for one moment, okay? I missed one time. I went over to day 5 instead of day 4. And the reason why is because I just couldn't be bothered. I couldn't be bothered to do it. Okay, doing this challenge with this black rice and Ayurveda gloss, which is so nourishing for the hair. The concoction is definitely dynamic for my hair. Ayurveda practices mixed in with black rice. You're going to get something powerful. But I cannot do this again. I can't, because nobody got time for this, honey. Hey, it was a challenge. There were nights where I was up late, deep conditioning, staying true to the challenge. Now I am going to be measuring my hair, and it's just for the purpose for the next month, the 3rd month of the hair growth challenge, because next month I am looking for hair retention again. Another thing to mention about this gloss, this black rice Ayurveda gloss, I didn't like the feeling of it in my hair. There were bits left in my hair. I really tried to rinse it out every 4 days. There were so many bits in my hair, that was annoying. I kind of don't know how I could have overcome that. Maybe the solution when I was mixing it needed to be warm so that those Ayurveda powders could have mixed in really well. So take note of that. If you're putting it together yourself, make sure your mixture is not really grainy, because I basically had bubbles, little fine grains, like little bits of sand. It looked like black sand in my hair. What has it done for my hair? My hair has got so much body. It's got a lot of shine. It's so much healthier. It's a lot stronger. So you may be wondering what I've got on my hair to keep my hair looking shiny or moisturised, or what I use, what products I use. I mainly use the Mel's Butter Me Up. You guys know this product. I've used this from day 1. This is the Mel's Butter Me Up cream. It's a multi-cream. It's an extreme moisturising hair growth cream. And also I used it to sort of rub and massage into my roots and on my ends every single time I applied the gloss on my hair. And then to style my hair, all I did was kind of use some water, use the Mel's Butter Me Up, and whatever styling product I was going to use at the time. Some days I've used the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Maker. Some days I use the Cantu Moisture Cream Curler, whatever it's called. But I kind of use the best combinations, one that will curl my hair and one that will moisturise my hair. And that seemed to work really well. So here's the deal. In the mix, I put Aretha, and if you saw the video last time, I put in Aretha, and Aretha is a soap nut. It's an Ayurvedic soap nut, so it will wash and cleanse. It will cleanse your hair. However, I remember on day 12, I just thought I just needed to wash my hair, only because I just felt like, I just needed to, just to properly clean the hair, I just had this feeling that the Aretha was not completely washing my hair or cleansing my hair, or taking out all of the build-up that I had of products on my hair. As far as detangling goes, I've got to tell you, detangling, chale! I had virtually no hair in the brush in the detangling brush, when I was detangling my hair, it was ridiculous. My hair didn't have any knots, so you're going to retain length. And talking about retaining length, so I am actually going to measure my hair in a moment, just so I can set myself up for month 3, because month 3, I've got a good one for you guys. Another juicy one. Just for the last month, we need to boost up the hair, but I want length retention again. The other thing I noticed, that my hair has got so much body. It has its own volume. I have hardly needed Mr. Pick, which is a massive thing for me because my density is medium to low, and I always needed a bit of a pick-me-up to help my hair look a bit more voluminous. So definitely the deep conditioning has allowed my hair to flourish. All there is now is to see if there's been any hair growth. I'm going to start by measuring this. So the last video I just held my hair up against my face, and I'm going to see if I can do a side by side just to get some idea of how long the hair is. So it's kind of like there. So let me just let me do the rest of it. I'm going to go and put on the t-shirt. Yeah, that's right. I just put it on top of my outfit. Right, that's my measurements. Obviously this side grows faster than this side, regardless of whether I trim my hair or not. It always grows faster on this side. Remember, this challenge, month 2, was really basically to see if I can get my hair really well moistured. So I'm not really expecting like a huge amount of growth like last month. Last month was amazing, we all know that. I'm just expecting to probably get the normal amount of growth, or maybe just a little bit over the normal amount, but let's just see, okay? Okay, so we're going to do the longer side already, because you know this one's a bit more impressive than this side, okay? Anyway, let us go. I might just pull you in slightly so we can see. I'd say there. So probably a good inch. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, so let's do this side. We're not really expecting a huge growth on this side. Oh, hello. That's not bad. I'd say. Good to say there. Yeah. Oh, I made a mistake. Oh no. Is it about there? Let me see. Is it there? Guys, help me out. Can't see properly. Oh, that's the wispy bits. Okay, I'm just going to have to work that one out properly. It's not that one. Okay, it's not that one, it's this one. Alright, so it's fair to say I grew about an inch. Where are we? 3/4 inch maybe this side, but a clear inch on this side. Now actually I'm really glad I've done the measurements, because although this particular challenge on month 2 was really aimed at moisturising my hair, it proved that it actually did help my hair grow. So normally I get ½ an inch of growth before some of you will come and tell me in the comments, don't be silly, Melanie, you only get 1 inch anyway. So I've got an inch growth. Month 2. Love it all. So I'll leave all the details down in the description bar where you can see where I get all the products from that I use, and also a link to the video that I did when I first mixed up the black rice and AYURVEDA gloss. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's helped you guys. I want to hear down in the comments below what this month has been like for you. Have you just started it? Have you managed to do the whole month? Did you even do the whole month? Tell the truth and the whole truth. Also guys, I want you to watch out for my summer skincare videos and how I keep my 47-year-old skin looking, well, pretty age-defying. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which I upload daily on my stories, and you can see all the lovely things that I get up to. Also, a very, very quick thank you to so many of you that have bought from Amari Me. Listen, I am so grateful to so many of you who have invested your money into my business. I'm really grateful. From my heart, I love you very much. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay guys, I'm going now. Thank you so much for tuning in to this week's video. Don't forget to smash the like button, and don't forget to share this video with other people who would appreciate this kind of content. Okay guys, I'm going now. I will see you again in my next video. You take care and God bless you. Bye.